My name is Don Costa, and I am here today to thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe. We're going to be bringing a lot of really cool information about real estate investing from beginner to advanced. We're going to be sharing the ins and outs of our business. I'm actually sitting here in a studio in my office, and just outside the door, I have a number of my team members on the phones, answering phones, booking appointments, closing transactions. And I want to share how we do a lot of that in our business with you who are out there watching these videos. So I've been hosting a podcast by the name of Flip Talk for almost 3 years. You see, I got the Flip Talk stuff behind me. Some of you may know that, some of you may not. And I've been really enjoying what I've been doing. I've been loving it and just giving back to the community. And I want to take it one step further with this YouTube channel. So we're going to be very transparent about what we do. Some of the stuff is just going to be going over bullet points in education. Some of it's going to be behind the scenes on how we actually operate and implement systems. So I'm looking forward to bringing value to you, looking forward to interacting with you. I'm looking forward to having you ask questions, allow me to answer those questions, allow me to bring videos that really bring value to the community. A little bit about me. I've been doing this since 2003. I started door knocking pre foreclosures and I did really, really well. I built a company. I got arrogant and stupid. I lost it all during the crash and I had to rebuild my business again. The beautiful part of that is I realized along the way that the first time around, I didn't have a real business. Businesses are built on fundamentals, they're built on foundational norms. Like there's just things about this business that if you do day in and out consistently, you're going to do really, really well. And if you chase every shiny object, you're not, right? And I've learned how to build a business, how to build a team, how to build infrastructure and systems and processes that really bring value to my organization. And I'm going to share that pretty openly. So make sure you watch, make sure you ask questions, and yeah, I mean, get what you can out of it. One of the things that I really want to point out is I've been doing this for a long time. I know what I'm doing. And while I may not talk about some of the sexy, shiny object stuff out there, what I am going to share with you is the fundamentals that are going to bring you long term success. So check it out, subscribe, follow the podcast, to ask questions. And I look forward to talking to you again soon.